everyone, welcome back to Sunday Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Amalanga Afani from the 23rd to 27th of February 2026 on Mondays. Calo is shocked to see an alive Xoli at work and Emia Tsunami. Thembi is encouraged by the wave of good fortune lately. She can feel it's the night will the night will end without drama. Sipho can't stop entangling himself in his web of lies on Tuesday. Xoli and Sabelo might have the police off their back, but their troubles are only just starting when they discover that Tsunami's body is missing. Thembi is vindicated when his suspicions are confirmed, and Sipho must face the consequences of his actions on Wednesday. Sabelo and Xoli's walls start closing in as the police question them. The roosters come home to roost for Sipho and Sugar Basin as they are forced to tell the truth on Thursday. Sabelo's world turns upside down when the police make a shocking discovery. Thembi's good deed backfires and star stream and hard work finally brings her to tears on Friday. Sabelo's name is splashed across every headline as the police close in, leaving Xoli scrambling to contain the fallout. Meanwhile, Thembi flips the script, turning vibes into a woman's only. She's been an igniting storm of chaos among her staff, and in a secret hospital room, a recovering Tsunami blood his comeback. So Tunamagashonang, yo. Well guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.